chart. So what I'm going to do is make it nice and bold. I'm going to close my assorted windows so you all don't have to see unnecessary things. So on the chart that I'm making very large, I have the map of the counties. So you need that map of the counties, map of the table rather. This is a table of the counties, and I'm gonna make it real large. Hopefully it's going to be visible there. Do my best. And somewhere we can reach. Okay. So we've got 5 people. Right on. Okay. I don't plan on going too far, so I'll going to minimize my window and make this as large as possible. Okay. Maybe there's a way. Thank you. And then up. Enter. So I'm trying to make my screen as bright as possible. Okay. All right. Hopefully that's a little more clear. And a peek right now and see what that looks like to all of you. Oh, the other thing I can do, forgot about this. I can bring the laptop even closer. Yeah, that's better. except look at all these Mr. Corcorans. Sorry, that's pretty strange. Oh, funny. All right, so here we go. We've got, or I have, Alameda, and the population of Alameda in 2010. And Alameda, Alameda is the county that has Albany. We're in Alameda. So 1,671,329 people. And that is just in the county of Alameda, and that is, get this real teeny, just so I have a sense. There, so I have a sense of what's going on. So that is Alameda, and I colored it orange because I felt like it. So I have alphabetically, we have Alameda. The next one is Alpine. So Alpine, I'm looking for where Alpine reminds me of snow and skiing, and sure enough, here's Alpine out here, and it looks like Alpine. Alpine. Let's give that a. I don't know. I have orange over here. I think I can do red. I think I can do red out here. So Alpine. Let's make it different. Red's it's a little too close to orange. So Alpine is here. And Alpine is a region. Hey Siri, 2010.
As of 2010, the population of Alpine County was 1,175.
Wow, 1,175. So I'm gonna. I don't know if you can see that. I want to. That's amazing to me. So there's 2 counties. We have 2 counties here. We have Alameda County, and I guess that's pretty visible. We've got Alameda County and we've got Alpine County. Alphabetically, 1 and 2. In terms of population, wow. I think Alameda, there was that song, Alameda's a top 7. It's in the top 7 of counties in terms of population. Alpine is teeny. All right, Amador. Is Amador.
In 2010, population of Marin County was 252,700. 252,409.
252,409. So, whoops, there we go. Ugh. So Marin County, zoom out just a bit. Marin County, 252,409. And Marin County is, oh, there it is. Sorry, it's really blurry. So San Francisco's here, Marin is up there. Marin, 252. So you know what I'm going to do? Let's do this. It's far easier for me, and maybe for you, it's far easier for me to just focus on one thing at a time. So let's do that. What I'll do, I'll just stick, this is helpful, but we don't need it to do the table. So what I wanted to do, just focus on the table, and we will, hello 12 people. For this activity, let's just focus on the Bay Area. And I think we said there were 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. There were 8 counties in the Bay Area region. So Marin, done. Contra Costa, I'm pretty sure that's the amount. Double check with my assistant. Hey Siri, how many people live in Contra Costa County?
In 2019, the population of Contra Costa County was 1,153,526.
Now, hopefully, all of you out there heard what my error. I did not ask my assistant precisely. Let me try this again. Hey Siri, how many people lived in Contra Costa County in 2010?
The answer is about 1.05 million people.
Okay, now we've got something else going on. Now she's doing about. It's weird. That's exactly what Siri must have been reading my lesson plan. So 1.05 million. So there's two things happening here. What I'm doing is I'm writing down, hey Siri, what is the exact population of Contra Costa County in 2010?
The answer is about 1.05 million people.
Okay, if I look closely, you can't see this, but she did the rounding. It says 1.049, so that's correct. 1,049,025. So if you were a numbers person, you can maybe see how 1,049,025 is about 1.05 million. If this is confusing to you, if math is not your favorite thing, here's a little trick I learned. You could take a Post-it. Let's just cover that up for now. Okay. For now, all we're doing is the population. So I've got Alpine, even though it's not the Bay Area. I've got these two regions. I've got Contra Costa. I've got Marin. Marin's pretty tiny. So far, the biggest is Alameda. Contra Costa is pretty big too. It's over 1 million. So on the back, these are also San Francisco. Now, before I lived in the East Bay, I went to college in San Francisco, and that's how I became a fan of the Giants, and I just love the city. So, hey Siri, what was the population of San Francisco County in 2010?
The answer is 805,235 people.
Interesting. Below 1 million people. Okay. 805,235. Okay. So that's about 1 million people. If you have 500,000 people, that's 500,000. If you have 800,000 people, that is closer to 1 million. All right, San Mateo. Hey Siri, What's the population of San Mateo County in 2010?
As of 2010, the population of San Mateo County was 718,451.
So those two counties are pretty close. There's only about 100,000 people. Go Giants games a lot. Back when I lived there, it was easy to get there, and the tickets were cheaper. And that stadium could fit 30,000 people, maybe 40,000. But so if that's 30,000, you double it, that's 60. You triple it, it's 90. So 3 baseball stadiums full of people is the difference between San Mateo, San Francisco. Interesting stuff. All right, we got some two more counties that make up the Bay Area region. Hey Siri, what is the population of Solano County in 2010?
As of 2010, the population of Solano County was 430,354.
So here's a thing. Here's what we're getting at here. One of the reasons I like to I can make this bigger. Not. Could I hit? What if I hit this? It's a little bigger. All right. So the difference. Maybe I'll zoom out. The difference here. You know, this is. I don't know if you can see that. This is 400. So you double it, you get 800,000. You cut this in half, you get 400,000. So when you look at these numbers, just see what you notice. One of the reasons we're doing this at this point in the school year is we have to learn about the regions of California anyway. So I figure we combine math with California history because math is everywhere. So, one more. Hey Siri. What was the population of Sonoma County in 2010? That's a way in which we count how many people are in our cities, in our what's the other thing? In our cities, in our what's bigger than city? County. So city, county, region, and then state. California state is the largest portion of that. So I lost my there. So we have, how are we doing here in images? Oh, not bad. Oh, I'm blocked. If I move this here and I scoop myself there, aha. Mistakes are the best teacher. Mistakes can be the best teacher. I think I could hear one of you trying to, attempting to correct me. Cool. All right, so what's next? All right, I'm tired of the chart. I'm gonna put the chart away. I'm gonna bring this out. Okay, so I need another region. Still getting used to, I mean, I already colored Alpine. So what was the, what's that? What is that, right? Where's that worksheet that had my mask? Worksheet that had the regions on it. See, if we're in class, this is where a student usually goes, and you can borrow, and then they scoot out. This is the color version that I scanned and used for yours. So interestingly, Alpine looks like Tahoe Basin to me. So I'm going to double check. Tahoe Basin. Yep. To me, yeah, not bad. Get this out of here. I don't need that anymore. So Tahoe Basin, this little shape, that's Alpine right here. This is Alpine. It's got, this is the part where Tahoe Basin and the Sierra Foothills, some of you, where is it? Here it is. Yep. So we did this little dot. So with my pencil, we use my pencil, do the same thing, kind of copy this and do a dot up to Sierra. Here we go. So Sierra, dot, 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 dot. So what this does is Tahoe Basin, the Tahoe Basin region, the Tahoe Basin region cuts these counties in half. So the counties, they have to share. So let's try this. We've got El Dorado, right? El Dorado is there. Placer County is there. Nevada County is here. And it looks like all of Sierra, yep, it looks like all of Sierra is part of the, this is called Tahoe Basin County. All right, so this is the info. This is the info I'm going to use to fill out my chart. Remember, I've already started with Alpine, so now I have to get the other ones. The other ones include, this is going to be a little tricky. Hopefully this doesn't confuse you. All right, so I've got Sierra is completely green. So I'm going to find Sierra County. Sierra County. It is completely green, according to the map I have. So all of Sierra is in the Tahoe Basin region. The other one that's completely Tahoe Basin, Sierra and Alpine. The other counties, this is a little strange. The other counties they share it. So here's what that's going to look like. Maybe you've guessed where I'm going to go with this. Nevada, let's find Nevada and just cut this little box. I'm going to take this box. Nevada, there it is. Nevada. I'm going to cut it in half. Nevada County, which is confusing, right, kids? Because we've got, there it is. We've got Nevada is a state, but it's also a California county. So half of the county of Nevada is in this region. See that? And then half of it is in the Sierra Foothills region. So for Sierra Foothills, I feel like I want to use, well, green I already used. Purple, orange, brown. What else do I have? Do I have anything else? Light green? Whoa. How about yellow? You know what? Sierra Foothills, I'm going to do yellow. So here we go. So Nevada is half purple, sorry, half green and half yellow. Let's go ways. And then Nevada, here we go, half green, half yellow. The other county that shares is the county right above Nevada. Oh, nope, Sierra is all green. My bad, Sierra is all green. It's below Nevada is Placer County, and this part is the Sierra Foothills. And then the green part is Tahoe Basin. Another one right below it, just keep it going. El Dorado, also half green, half yellow, Sierra Foothills. And then Amador County doesn't touch Alpine. So let's just stick to those. All right. So I'll keep my yellow nearby. I'm going to need that here, I think. Green for Tahoe Basin. So here we go. We got Nevada. I need Placer. Oh, that's nearby. Placer is half and half. Placer. I almost colored orange. I have to be careful. So it goes Nevada County, Orange County, Placer County. So Placer, same two colors. Placer is green and yellow. Okay. And what's another? There's one more half and half. So it's Nevada County, Placer County, El Dorado County. El Dorado. There we go. Very good. Right now it does. I think it's because it's my lunch was nice, but I'm ready for a little more food. I'm not going to eat this today. El Dorado, that's green and yellow. Okay? Green and yellow. So here we go. Siri, you there? Hey, Siri. What was the population of El Dorado County in 2010?
In 2010, the population of El Dorado County was 181,058.
Okay, there we go. Hey Siri, what was the population of Nevada County in 2010?
In 2010, the population of Nevada County was 98,764.
One more. Hey Siri, what was the population of Placer County in 2010?
In 2010, the population of Placer County was 348,432.
Notice that Siri said Placer County. I sometimes I pronounce things incorrectly sometimes. And sometimes our assistants pronounce things incorrectly, so that's okay. Hey Siri, how do you pronounce my last name?
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
No thanks. I was just goofing around. All right, sorry if that's hard to read. That's 348,432. All right. Okay. I don't think I'm blocking. Oh, sorry. I really don't know what to do about that because I don't. Well, hopefully you're starting to get the idea. We have 8 minutes left in our live stream today. I have nearly have 2 regions done in terms of population. I have the Bay Area region and Tahoe Basin region. So last, I think it's just Sierra County. That's the only one I need. Hey Siri, what was the population of Sierra County in 2010?
As of 2010, the population of Sierra County was 11,988.
So I've got a question. Populated county is. Just think, we have 58 counties in California. We have, what are these? We call these 9. These are 9 regions. What's the biggest out of all these 9? What has the most people? Out of these 58, where most of the people live? Where do the fewest people live? We've got, what was the smallest county we have so far? 11,000 people. Oh, so those of you who remember, how many people fit in the Giants ballpark, I gave you a number, right? Whatever. That many thousand people. Sierra County, the whole county, could they fit in a baseball stadium? If you cloned the county, if you doubled them, right? You take those 11,900, so say it's 12,000 people. You take 12,000 people and you clone them. So everybody has a double. Could you double Sierra County and have them fit in a baseball stadium? Would there be leftover seats? Cool, huh? All right. Almost done. And then kids ask questions, but streaming, it's just me and side out there. So what's left? Calaveras. You know what? I've got a friend. My friend lives in San Diego County. It's the southernmost county. Well, it and Imperial. So that's what I'm going to do next. We're going to end with the county that's down there. So let's do this. We're gonna end in a minute, 5 minutes. So I want you to look at San Diego County and think, okay, Sonoma County is, I know 2 Sonoma counties could fit there. And I know Sonoma County has 483,000 people, so almost 500,000 people. So this, I think San Diego, 500,000 doubled is 1 million. So double 500,000, I got 1 million. I think San Diego, judging by how big it is, probably has 1 million people. Hey Siri, How many people lived in San Diego County in 2010?
The answer is about 3.1 million people.
Did you hear that? 3 point. Oh, she went away. Hey Siri, can you remind me how many people lived in San Diego County in 2010?
I can't schedule reminders in the past. When do you want to be reminded?
Woo! See, this is a sign. I
can't schedule reminders.
I
in the
know. I
past.
heard you.
When do you want to be reminded?
This is a sign that I've been talking a lot.
I can't schedule reminders in the past. When do you want to be reminded?
Never mind.
Okay.
Hey Siri, how many people lived in San Diego County in 2010?
As of 2019, the population of San Diego County was 3,338,330.
3,338,000 in 2019. Oh, here we go. Look at that. It actually has the 2010 census there. Aha. So in 2010, there were 3,095,000. In 2019, there were 3,338,000. So when you do this, when you're filling out the grid yourselves, you need to be careful that you're doing the population from the same year. Some of you, maybe you made a mistake and maybe you did population in 2019. Just do it. Do the population in 2019 for all of it. I'm going to do the population in 2010 because I started it and I want to be consistent. So it's almost time to stop live streaming. It was 3 million San Diego. 3 million. 95,000. 3,095,313. And then 9 years later, their population grew. Either people had children or people. I mean, the other way a population gets bigger. One way is people have children. You know, family has a child, now their family grows by one. Another way a population could get bigger is cloning. Is that a thing? Maybe people out there can think of what it is for a population to grow. So San Diego's not the biggest county in terms of population, though. You know how I know? I just looked at this. When Siri gave me the answer, what's the biggest? It's definitely not Sierra. I wonder if that's the smallest. So I'm about done. If you want to see it again later, awesome. More power to you. Okay, everybody. Hey, we made it. Perfect. 30 minutes. Have a great, today was great. It feels like we've been in school longer than 2 days, just in terms of how excited everybody is to learn and how engaged everybody is. I wonder if all the watchers are all people in my classroom, if we have any